Greetings, everyone. It's a known fact that understanding the stock market can be an important stepping stone towards financial independence. Today, we're going to unravel this intricate web that is the stock market and see how it can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. Imagine if you could own a piece of a successful company and share in its profits. That's the basic premise of the stock market. It is a place where shares or portions of a company are bought and sold. When you purchase a share, you're essentially buying a piece of that company, becoming a partial owner in the process. Now, you might be wondering how exactly this buying and selling takes place. This is where stock exchanges come into play. They facilitate the trading of stocks. Whether you choose to trade through a broker or an online platform, it's these exchanges that make it possible. There's a variety of stocks to choose from. You've got common stocks and preferred stocks, each with their own advantages. Common stocks usually come with voting rights, while preferred stocks often guarantee dividends. Then there are growth stocks, which don't usually pay dividends, but have potential for substantial price appreciation, and dividend stocks, known for regular dividend payouts. The price of stocks isn't constant. It's influenced by a myriad of factors such as company performance, market trends, and economic indicators. Even news and events can cause prices to fluctuate. This is what makes the stock market so dynamic. Investing in stocks can yield significant rewards like capital gains and dividends, but remember, with great reward comes considerable risk. Market volatility and company-specific risks are part and parcel of the investment journey. That's why diversification is key. It's like that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you're new to investing, it's vital to do your research, focus on your long-term goals, diversify your portfolio, and consider professional advice. And don't let the jargon scare you. Terms like PE ratio, bull and bear market, IPO, and market cap will become part of your vocabulary in no time. In a nutshell, the stock market is a platform for trading shares of companies. It offers potential rewards but also comes with certain risks. So, beginners, do your homework and approach investing with caution and understanding. The journey of investing can be an enlightening one, and the stock market is a great place to start. Do continue to educate yourself, and remember, knowledge is power. Thank you for tuning in today, and make sure to subscribe for more insights into finance and investing.